So you wash a pair of $300 keys that has like, the remote start with the two-way, so it lets you know if the car's locked or unlocked on the
Yeah.
remote. You wash those 3 times in 1 month, and you start questioning your sanity kinda a little bit. You're like, "How did I do this again?" It's like
Yeah.
the dude at the stores, they're like, "Oh, you're back again. Did you wash them again?" I'm like, "Yep." You know? Uh,
Well, it gives you brain fog because I mean, I think what a lot of people don't understand is like, I mean, it's not the mold, it's the toxins they produce. So like, a lot of people say something like, "Well, mold's everywhere. Like it's outside, it's yeah, but like I always tell people it's kind of like a campfire. Like if you were to like build a campfire and light it outside, you could all sit around it and like breathe and roast marshmallows and everyone would be fine. But if you lit it in your living room and closed all the doors and windows, you'd probably all die from smoke inhalation. It's just
right.
it's the confined exposure that's the problem.